Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to get straight into it today. We're going to do a glam glittery cut crease using the Stila eye glitters. So first of all, I prepped the eye with P. Louise and I'm using a brown shade to go through the crease and over the lid. I'm just blending that out until, well, it's blended out really. Next, going through with a really bright orange and just layering it straight over the top. Don't worry too much about it going on the eyelid. And then we're coming in with our darker color all over that eyelid and blending it up. It kind of looks really messy at the start, but it will get better as you kind of go on into the makeup. Trust the process. Alright, so I'm going to cut the crease now using the inglot. It's my new favorite, and with the little liquid that makes it like a gel. It's so good, and you do most of the product in that inner corner and then kind of stop it halfway through the eye. And then I'm just blending the rest out once I make that crease. Then I'm using an orange and I go back over the top of the, oh my god, I'm so tongue-tied today. Over the top of the shimmer, and then I'm using the brown and I go over the top of it as well, just to blend it back in. So the Stila, the Kid Karma, and I'm just using it straight with that brush. I tried to use it on the back of my hand with another brush and it just didn't apply properly. So you actually need to use that little brush on the end. And it does give a clean, crisp line. But it is a really good brush and easy, and it actually makes the color stand out if you use that brush. So don't use anything else. The Fluid Sheer, it's just like an illuminator for under the skin, and we're going for a more, I don't know, luminous look. So I don't use it too often, but it is really good. Okay, just walked straight in front of the camera. Really? Now I used a combo of foundations here, so the Locket and the MAC Studio Fix. With my contour, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I love to use this little fluffy brush. It just is so easy to blend, and I just put it on as you see on the stick and then rub it straight onto the skin and sort of do circular motions, uppy downy motions to get it looking how I want. That was the NYX liquid highlight. I just put a bit of that on before the powders so it gives a glow through before I put the powder highlight on over the top. And I'm super mad at myself because I lost the footage at the end here, but I've got a couple of photos for you and one small video from my phone.